Kaboom. It's like a bomb went off. Messed up because I'm cleaning up and rebuilding so I can put my tools away and not have this. See how much dust and dirt gets all over my stuff, my tools? That's why I got to stop and change things. This section right here, I'm going to tear it down, get rid of stuff that doesn't need to be here, first of all. Find a new home for my shotgun and my .22 rifle that I stash out here because I have to. I'm going to build cabinets right here to store the bigger electrical tools like the chop saws and the bench grinder and belt sander and whatever else that comes along there. And then that'll be all good for that. Finish the air tool chest. That'll go right there. Clean up all this workbench area and table saw. Get this all straightened out, cleaned out. There's a lot of work here. But I wanted to point it out. All that. Forgive me for the mess out here. And it stopped raining long enough that some sun pop out. The ground get a chance to soak up some of the water. But all this is going to be new carport area. As soon as the weather gives me a go, we're going to start getting rid of this crap. And in the other side of this garage, I have my big drill press, my bandsaw, English wheel. Right over there is the new 6-pipe anvil I built, and that'll be going in there. I'm thinking maybe going in here. It might stay out there. I don't know. But anyway, cross that bridge when it comes time. So I'll get back on this air tool chest. And the reason why I'm doing this chapter 3 video this way today is because 2 reasons. I don't see myself getting the air tool chest completed today, especially with no paint, especially if I painted it. But I wanted to show why it's taken some time to do it. So I have to continue building. That'll be the next big build right over there. I'm just going to tear it down and start frame up all over again. That should get me some room in here. I'm thinking about taking this table here, work table, and running it sideways like this once I got me some room back there. And a little half wall or whatever right here. And then a metal table on the other side, which I'll have to go get put together to do my small welding over in this corner. So yeah, I think it's time for me to get back to work and stop talking. You guys have a good one. See you on the next one. Oh, don't forget, hit like, subscribe, ring the bell, mark it for all videos so you don't miss out on anything. And don't forget about that $100 giveaway. You have to go back to chapter 1 and see what that's all about. All right, have a good one, everybody.